Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we will discuss basics of even and odd numbers. Let's get started. First, let's talk about even numbers. An even number is an integer that can be divided by 2 without leaving a remainder. 2, 4, 6, and so on are even numbers. In other words, if you can split a number into 2 equal whole parts, it's even. Here are some examples. 4 can be divided into 2 and 2, and 6 can be divided into 3 and 3. Mathematically, even numbers are expressed as 2 multiplied by n, where n is an integer. So, if n is 1, then 2 times 1 is 2. If n is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, and so on. And if division by 2, 2n can be splitted in n equal parts, leaving 0 remainder. Now, let's look at odd numbers. An odd number is an integer that cannot be evenly divided by 2. 1, 3, 5, and so on are odd numbers. If you divide an odd number by 2, you will always have a remainder of 1. If you have 5 apples, you cannot split them into 2 equal whole groups without having 1 left over. On screen you can see some examples where the remainder is 1 in case of odd numbers. Mathematically, odd numbers are expressed as 2n plus 1, where n is an integer. So if n is 1, then 2 times 1 plus 1 is 3. If n is 2, 2 times 2 plus 1 is 5, and so on. Let's do a quick recap. Even numbers are divisible by 2 without a remainder, and they follow the formula 2n. Odd numbers cannot be evenly divided by 2 and follow the formula 2n plus 1. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.